Today, we are super excited to make our own ramen at the Cup Noodles Museum, pet capybaras for the first time ever, and finish the day off at the amazing Yokohama Ramen Museum. Let's go! Good morning! We are here in the parking lot. This is us trying to park. It's a very different situation. Oh, there's Cup Noodle people. Oh, there's a Cup Noodle vending machine. We can park right there. We are super excited to try out this Cup Noodles cooking class. We got our parking ticket and we need to head to the first floor, cutest. All right, let's go.
Looks like we're inside of a Cup Noodles bowl.
Yeah. Here we are at the Ramen Museum.
So many ramens.
We're all dressed up in our nice duck fit, I guess. We just got the ingredients. And we are waiting to get this party started.
Okay, so we have to take all our jewelry off, all of it. Take these off.
So we had to take all of our rings and jewelry off. And by the way they're saying it, that we can't record the hand making process. But I think we can start recording after we do all the things with the dough.
So, we'll be back. Okay, amazing experience. Definitely worth it to pay for the noodle making class. If it was me, I would do it all over again.
Yes. Thank you very much. Okay, Japanese camera.
It was just over an hour, I think, experience, but finding how to make the dough, the ingredients, all of that was super cool. And then getting to be hands-on and actually make the noodles. It takes two people really to make the noodles. And they really do a great job the whole time of showing you your noodles all the way through the process. Towards the end, as they're getting done, when it cuts the noodles, and then you put the sauces and stuff on them, then you put them in boiling oil and cook them.
41, 42.
Best ramen I ever had. Super cool. Love the experience. They start to smell really good towards the end too. We're all done. We made little baggies with the one that we made. This is Steven's. And then they also gave us two other types of ramen. But now it's time to go. Take it away. And then we also made our own little special cup of noodle. First, we personalized our ramen cups. This was only 500 yen, and you can do this without doing the make your own noodle if you don't have time. But making our noodles was fun. Then we picked our flavoring and our 3 favorite toppings. In Japanese, they talked us through the process as they sealed our cups. I crushed mine. Steven said go to town.
Put the blow up thing in that little tube and go to town.
And I went a little too hard, so mine's crushed. But anyways, super cute, super fun, regardless of what you choose. Both are amazing deals. 500 yen or 1,000 yen per person, you can't beat that. So either way, it was fantastic. Then we went down to the Noodle Bazaar for lunch. We checked out the gift shop on our way out. And now we're gonna see what else we can do in Yokohama. Okay, now we are headed into the Capybara Cafe. Super excited, never seen capybaras in person. Let's check it out. The cutest ever. They were so sweet, very big. I guess I was expecting them to be big, but these were babies. The mom isn't there anymore, and she had like a ridge on her back, but she wasn't there today. But it's my first time ever petting capybaras, and I loved it. With your ticket price to get in, it was 4,800 yen per adult. And then you get a drink. Steven got a warm coffee and I got a cold guava juice, delicious. We didn't drink them while we were there because we were spending a lot of time just enjoying petting the capybaras. Oh yeah, it's a good belly scratch. And then I got an extra vegetable plate. Which was 800 yen, and you could feed the guinea pigs, which are so cute. And then you could also feed the capybaras, so. It was a lot of fun. They were very sweet. It didn't smell bad at all for an animal cafe. The smell was great, I thought. I thought they painted their nails, but Steven noticed that part of the floor was blue.
They're painted blue because they must have gotten to the paint.
Part of the floor was blue, so it looks like they had walked through it and been a little bit of a nuisance while they were painting the floors blue and green. And they had a little bit on their bum. They had massive teeth. It was hard to see them, but when they opened their mouth to yawn, like the bottom were this long and then the top were like that long, but they covered each other. And they were super sweet. They were real lazy. They didn't get up except for sometimes if they wanted to be scratched in a different place or if they wanted a piece of lettuce, but they still didn't walk around. They just like leaned towards you for some lettuce. And we fed them apples, lettuce, and carrots.
Oh, that's cute.
And then of course their little food pellets. So yeah, it was a great time. Now we're headed over to the Ramen Museum. It's the history of all different types of ramen noodles, and they have a little an indoor-outdoor space that looks like a little part of Japan or something. So we're gonna go check that out and get a bite. All right, let's go. Okay, so we're here inside the Ramen Museum. You can make ramen noodles if you want to. We're not gonna do that today. We already made them at the Cup Noodles Museum. But what we're gonna do here is go down. They have a little city. We're gonna pick different types of ramen to eat, and then we're gonna come and learn everything we can about ramen. All right, let's check it out. Whoa, it's so cool. It definitely feels like we're in some little Chinese or Japanese village. It's awesome. It feels like we're outside. They have clouds on the ceiling, lights like it's nighttime. All right, it looks like we can order at kiosks. So you're gonna choose which is our favorite, and then we'll show you what we get. Okay, this one? Small,
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes,
Regular?
small. Because I plan on getting a few of them.
Please touch purchase to confirm your order.
Beautiful. This is yours, I think. Okay, the ramen was delicious. What is that? What's in there? I absolutely loved the broth. It had little pieces of almonds, like slivers of almonds in it, and it was rich. And then they had this sardine infused vinegar you could add, and surprisingly that vinegar I think was my favorite part of the flavor. I loved watching them boil the broth as well as cook the noodles, and they were thicker, a little bit chewier noodles, but I really liked them. What's so funny?
All the faces you're making.
Yeah, it was delicious. We can only try one. We each got a cheese side bowl, and yet surprisingly filling. We did each get our own egg. I got extra nori, yeah.
Plus you ordered extra egg, didn't you?
Yeah. That's all we can eat. Unfortunately, we're a little bit full, but there are so many different places you can try out here. You can try out little shops, and the atmosphere is amazing. It really feels like you're somewhere else, so super cute. Ton of candy. Weird stuff too.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I didn't even know this was back here.
Yeah.
Morning.
Was it really bad?
I think so, yeah. It even has an onsen.
We don't have time. We gotta go to Peppy Chom's.
We gotta go to Peppy Chom's.
Alright, that's it for us here in Yokohama. Steven's behind the camera. And I'm Elaine. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Sayonara.